Today we're going to make a chocolate peppermint soap. In this recipe I'm going to be using 2 pounds of goat's milk soap base. I'm going to be using about a quarter cup of cocoa powder, 10 grams of peppermint essential oil, and a little bit of spirulina to get that green coloring. I'll also be adding a little extra olive oil to the recipe, which gives the soap a little bit more foam. I'm going to start by melting my 2 pounds of soap base. Alright, I've just added about an ounce of raw shea butter, which gives it a moisturizing quality. Shea butter is also good for inflammation, hydrating dry skin, and is full of lots of fat-soluble vitamins and minerals. Alright, now I'm going to add just a little extra olive oil, which gives the soap a little more lather. Alright, now the soap base is finished melting, so I'm going to add a quarter cup of cocoa powder. I'm going to stir that in. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of turmeric. I already put the other half tablespoon in. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of spirulina, and I'm adding the turmeric and spirulina just to give the soap this kind of nice green color. They also act as exfoliants, which are super gentle on the skin. I might need to add a little extra spirulina to get that green color I was hoping for. All right, well, it's this greenish brown, so it's it's like a peppermint hot chocolate. All right, we're now going to add our 10 grams of peppermint essential oil, and we're going to incorporate that into the mix. All right, and now it's time to pour it into our molds. This chocolate peppermint soap is super refreshing. It is available on my Etsy, and I have posted the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one.